everyone! So, pagod na pagod kami dahil galing kami sa lolo bumili ng lechon manok. Ngayon, kain time na. Kain time. Binigyan kami ng 50 real pang kain. That's why pumunta kami ng lolo. Para bumili. And then, hihiwain ang manok. Ang manok, hihiwain. Anong ginawa sa manok? Pinilipit yung paa para hindi lumipad. Yung paa pinilipit para hindi lilipad ang kanyang so, kain tayo. Kasama ko nag-CR pa. Ay! Having a good meal today. Esther! Yan. I'm very hungry. Even I eat.
It's smelling good.
Yeah, even I eat bread.
Me, I don't know how to cut this one. Cut for me.
Best. Cut. That's it.
It's not it.
This is yours.
This one I take all.
Yeah. Good because we are tired. Nice taste.
It is vegetable.
You see, if we buy KFC, they will give us like this and like this too.
Color.
For 30 to 15 real, you can buy 2 pieces, 15 real with rice. Then sometimes the rice is not nice, sticky, too much water. So 15 real for you, 15 real for me, 30 on. Only this.
Without anything else.
And this one they can cut for 6 pieces more.
It's nice.
More than 6 pieces because they cut wings, and then the breast, and then the hair. So they earn more.
That's why they are there.
They buy the chicken for 10 real
And do
and cook it and then sell for 19 real. They have 9 real.
Ah,
Yeah.
on top of. Let me eat my African way.
It's like how the way you eat in your house.
Mm.
Don't follow me. Because I eat the way like this. Today is what? 23?
24.
Mm. You have only 16 days here. Oh,
These are passing by. Fast. I wish I could stay more.
yeah, madam, I can extend 1 month.
Maybe you want to finish me.
After madam, can extend 1 month.
Contract.
But then madam said, okay. But your salary I will give to Esther.
You are finished. Wow. I will miss you. I'll miss your cooking.
Esther, she's gonna miss me with that we eat always a lot of food.
I'll miss cooking. The food.
There's more chicken that we will eat tomorrow. I feel busog. You know what is busog? Busog is full. Full. When you eat and then you full, you say busog.
In Philippines.
Yeah. If you see Philippine, you say kamusta ka. Yeah. Tell kamusta ka. Ka?
Kamusta.
Yes. It means how are you. When you say kamusta ka, how are you? Say mabuti.
Mabuti.
Mabuti. Mabu.
Mabuti.
Yeah.
Oof.
Means good. In your country, what?
In
How are you?
no. Habari yako.
Habari yako?
It's me.
How
How
are
are
you?
you? Yeah. And you say mzuri sana.
What?
Mzuri sana.
Munzuri sana.
Mzuri sana, yeah.
Why too much why
Say-
too much word?
Yeah, you feel that because you are not so, you are Philippine. Me, I'm used to that.
It's hard to put in your mind. But maybe if you always hearing, you will learn.
You will learn too fast.
Mm.
My tribe people know it fast. Even Indians, you can hear them speaking.
Mansuri sana.
Mzuri.
Mun.
Muzuri.
Sana. Muzuri. In my language, Muzuri. It says, say sorry. Sana it means like sana is like I wish.
In my country, no, hakuna matata.
What is mean?
No problem.
Aku.
Hakuna matata.
In Philippines, aku is me.
So they are the same saying but different meaning.
Yeah.
Wow.
Musuri sana.
Yeah.
Musuri sana.
Yeah. Mzuri sana.
Musuri sana.
See? I'm good.
Musuri sana. But it's hard to say good.
You can still say mzuri. Just mzuri is saying good. But sana is saying more.
I think this chicken just today they cook. Good. It smells like not
I
dry.
don't like it too much.
Not dry. The skin.
The chicken. The taste.
You don't like?
Not too much.
What you like? KFC?
I think
But KFC too much.
expensive.
No, too much oil. This is no oil.
It's boiling.
Grilling.
Yeah. But not too bad.
Yeah, the taste is not really yummy. Because it's not expensive.
Maybe.
If it's expensive, it's yummy. The more expensive, the more yummier, the more killing you.
Yeah.
Killing your sickness. Because you're eating oily, you drink oil, and you don't know that oil. Many times they use.
No, they just sieve.
No. So if they will not buy oil,
you can't know.
yeah. That's why you cook some restaurant. You feel like yummy, but you don't know that it's killing you. It's killing you.
Behind the scene.
Yeah.
I see in the restaurants kitchen.
Pak. This is pak. Pak. This is Indian recipe.
The
This
chicken.
is India, yeah. The flavor is Indian recipe. It's like tandoori flavor. I like also Indian food, but I don't like too much spicy. Now I'm full, busog. I feel sleepy. After this, we fix the house, we go to sleep.
Yeah. Sleep until 7. No Tomorrow we have a long way to go.
I eat Saturday. Why? Too much work. But good today, she buy grocery.
Do we plan to do?
Tomorrow, vegetables.
They already come, the groceries.
Yeah, not much. Water, but she forgot the egg. We open this. And then we put ice. Diet. They are simple. Diet and zero. Have extra food. We have okra. We have ampalaya. It's good to drink like this if you eat chicken.
Hata kenderaria kuri ona dai dirokwa nime no kenderaria kuna rati yani komurere wa iguru no kodera ikara mweri umwe tu guku ka irio ni nyingi ukodera ikara meri itandatu mutingimenya tumagire yo niguo subscribe murore YouTube yani subscribe ufinyire ndiuke ya subscribe hoderi onaga video at least subscribe here. And for content creator. She's my friend. She's telling me I see there you will become fat. I tell her I'm staying only for 1 month. I tell her to subscribe.
Esther, she promote my channel in Kenya, so we will be famous in Kenya. Finish. That's for today mukbang. Wow. Feels so good. Bye.